In the shadowed corridors of history, one question echoes louder than all. What truly caused the fall of the mighty Roman Empire? For centuries, scholars have debated whether it was plagued by internal chaos, relentless invasions, or its own moral decay. But beneath the surface lies a darker story, one shrouded in conspiracy, betrayal, and secrets buried for millennia. The Roman Empire, once the pinnacle of power and innovation, began to crumble in the 5th century AD as waves of barbarian tribes pushed through its borders. Cities burned, armies dissolved, and the once glorious capital, Rome itself, teetered on the edge of annihilation. Yet, historians puzzle over an even more mysterious element: the sudden disappearance of high-ranking officials under suspicious circumstances. Did shadowy figures manipulate the imperial court to accelerate its collapse? Some experts suggest that a secret society embedded deep within the empire orchestrated chaos to seize control from behind the scenes. As Rome's stability waned, strange symbols appeared on its walls, markings that hint at rights and alliances no one dared to fully understand. Throughout the centuries, tales of hidden catacombs and secret chambers have fueled theories of a covert network still alive within the ruins. In 410 AD, the city of Rome itself was plundered by the Visigoths, a publicly visible catastrophe, but perhaps a distraction for something more sinister. Behind closed doors, whispers tell of powerful officials fleeing suddenly, leaving behind cryptic notes and strange artifacts. Some believe that the empire's fall was hastened by an insidious parasite, corruption and decadence that gnawed away from the inside out. Others argue it was a divine punishment, a sign from gods enraged by mankind's hubris and moral decay. What if the real cause was a combination of these forces, each amplifying the other's destructive power? As the West crumbled, the eastern half, the Byzantine Empire, endured, yet even it could not escape the shadows cast by Rome's demise. In the centuries that followed, remnants of the fallen empire lingered in myths, stories of secret societies, lost treasure, and forbidden knowledge. Could these ancient secrets hold the key to understanding not only why Rome fell, but how its legacy continues to haunt us today? Decades of archaeological discoveries reveal cryptic objects, cloaks, scrolls, and relics that challenge our understanding of Roman history. Some of these artifacts seem to point toward clandestine meetings and hidden treaties that reshaped Europe in ways we still don't fully comprehend. Beneath the ruins, sources suggest a complex web of influence, powerful groups manipulating history for their own gains. With every new excavation, more questions arise, deepening the mystery that still surrounds the fall of this ancient superpower. Was Rome's downfall inevitable, or was it deliberately orchestrated by forces beyond our comprehension? The true story may never be fully uncovered, lost in the shifting sands of time, buried beneath layers of lies and silence. Yet one thing remains clear. Its fall was not merely an end, but a beginning of new worlds emerging from chaos. And as we gaze into the shadows of history, we must ask ourselves, could something similar happen again? Is the collapse of civilizations rooted in our own faults, or are there unseen puppeteers pulling the strings from the darkness? The fall of Rome reminds us that even the mightiest can crumble when secrets are kept and truths are buried. So what will be our legacy, the enlightenment of knowledge or the silence of unanswered questions? Will we learn from the fallen empire's mysteries, or are we doomed to repeat its silent, haunted history? The story of Rome's collapse is more than a tale of ancient ruins. It's a mirror to our own future, shrouded in mystery and waiting to be unraveled. And as the shadows lengthen over the remnants of a vanished empire, a question remains. Can we truly understand the forces behind its demise? Or are some mysteries better left buried beneath time, forever lost in the dark?